What we have here is a nice thick stand of doveweed. Yes, doveweed. As you can see here, it has really taken over the Bermuda in this area. Doveweed is a summer weed. It's a summer annual weed. It actually grows by stolons. Doveweed produces a purple flower, as you can see here. It is not a grass weed though. It is different. It's related to some of your lilies. How do you control doveweed? There's a couple of ways. Culturally, a thick stand of Bermuda would definitely crowd out this doveweed. For a post-emergent, you have to use a three-way herbicide because again, this is more of a broadleaf weed instead of a grass weed. So something that contains 2,4-D, dicamba will work as well. So again, doveweed, which is a late summer weed. Wow, that was quick. If you want quick gardening tips, just subscribe below.